Have you ever heard of the Great Emu War of 1932? It's a bizarre but true episode in Australian history where the government declared war, not on another country, but on a massive flock of emus. Following World War I, Australian soldiers turned farmers struggled with an overpopulation of emus devastating their crops. The government deployed soldiers armed with machine guns to combat the birds. The emus proved surprisingly resilient, dodging bullets and outsmarting the troops. Despite firing thousands of rounds, the soldiers managed to kill only a small fraction of the emus, leading to a public relations debacle. The war ended in a humiliating retreat for the humans and left the emus largely unscathed, becoming an enduring and somewhat humorous cautionary tale about underestimating nature.